Okay.
We are here today in Tahiti. We're coppicing sweet chestnut, various types of trees and sweet chestnut to clear rides for biodiversity, for wildlife, and for creating habitats for other animals. With the waste material, we are stacking it as a type of barrier, I suppose, and also creating habitats. And we've also here we've constructed a cord so we can hold the larger pieces of wood, just to keep them tidy really, and also create other habitats for other animals. To do this type of work we are using bow saws and loppers, and also hooks and axes. The health and safety issues are we're wearing, if we're felling bigger trees, we use hard hats, but we're not, they're only quite small trees. Also steel toe cap boots and gloves just to move brambles and other types of vegetation. The environmental issues are that we're doing it at a certain time of year when animals aren't nesting and there are not so many public about, so it's quite quiet today. The problems that we're facing today is a disease within the, is it sweet chestnut? With the sweet chestnut called Phytophthora, which is prevalent in this area. It's discovered by helicopters flying overhead in the summer season, and they're noticing the disease in the top. And what we're doing is we're coming down, coppicing the trees, and the bark has to be removed to stop spores floating around. To stop any further spread of this, we're scrubbing off our boots and using a disinfectant to stop the spores spreading. And with creating habitats, we're also not doing it so much in a straight line. We're doing it in a more of a curvy line, so the sunlight hits different areas, and also when bats are flying down, it's not such a straight line, they can curve in and out, and it just more appeasing to the eye. There we go.